Topçu. I will be with you on your hair transplant journey. At the end of this journey, we end your balding. The hair we transplant does not fall out and remains with you for a lifetime. Hair transplanted in the right direction makes you look more attractive. Hair transplantation has no side effects because we use your own tissue. We plant the highest number of the hair and the process will take a day. We ensure that you have a comfortable process using the latest technology. Undoubtedly, the most important point is the implantation of this process by an expert. Call us if you want to get your new hair only in a day.